that's where...
Good week for you, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Get married, your wife gets her license, and we get our tornado warning. Number one is, I'm not sure where you're going.
I know exactly where.
That's pretty. Look at that.
Yeah, but just right up over here is our rotation. Right over there.
Perfect area.
Tornado warning now in effect for extreme southeastern Osage County, and this will be in effect for us until 8:15 this evening. The potential tornado 7 miles west of Williamsburg. That's going to put it very close to the Melbourne area. This is moving on to the southeast at about 35 miles an hour. Here in the area southeast of Melbourne, west of Williamsburg, and northeast of Waverly. That would be right there in the Melbourne and Melbourne Lake area.
Shit, call my parents.
I've been trying.
Oh.
Go to the lowest level of your home. If it's in the interior room, such as the bathroom or a closet, get as low as you can. Cover your head and stay away from windows.
Didn't they call Dad?
You recording right now?
Yeah,
See the dust? I'm a good straight voicemail.
I'm getting... So it's also Melbourne Lake, they say?
Yeah.
Damn it. It's your phone.
You get that?
Yeah. Mom, just calling to make sure you're taking cover. They said Melbourne Lake area is also in this tornado warning. Anyway, give me a call back when you can. I'll keep trying to call. Love ya. Bye. Hello? Hello?
I hate the pilot.